Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add and customize event in your calendar on this device. Firstly, open menu, find calendar and click on it. Now pick a date, for example that one, and click at the bottom right corner on this plus icon. Over here you can add a title, change color, and basically customize your event however you want to. You can add starting hour, then ending one, service click, choose location, set up notifications, minutes, hours, or weeks before, go back, take notes, invite people, and many other things. When you're done, you can click on Save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to delete it, click on it, tap on the bin icon at the bottom right corner, and choose Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!